Mark Twain once said, quote, "Man who does not read has no advantage over the man who cannot read." End quote. These words remind us of the value of reading and the tremendous advantages it brings to our lives. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have a natural curiosity about the world around them and others do not? Perhaps the answer lies in their reading habits. In this video, we'll explore the many benefits of reading and how it can enrich our lives and broaden our perspectives. So, let me ask you, how often do you read? What kind of books do you enjoy, and why? And most importantly, what impact has reading had on your life? Let's dive in and explore the world of reading together. Reading is one of the most valuable skills you can develop, and it can help you get ahead in life in several ways. Here are some reasons why reading is the best skill that will get you ahead in life. 1. Improves knowledge and understanding. Reading books on different subjects can help you gain a broader perspective on the world and deepen your understanding of various topics. By expanding your knowledge base, you can make better informed decisions and engage in more meaningful conversations. 2. Enhances critical thinking skills. Reading requires active engagement and critical thinking as you analyze and evaluate the information presented in the text. This skill translates to other areas of life, such as problem solving and decision making. 3. Develops vocabulary and communication skills. Reading books can help you improve your vocabulary and language skills, which can benefit your communication skills in both personal and professional settings. 4. Increases empathy and understanding of others. Reading books on different cultures, lifestyles, and perspectives can help you develop empathy and understanding for people who are different from you. This skill is essential for building meaningful relationships and succeeding in a diverse and globalized world. 5. Reduces stress and improves mental health. Reading can be a form of relaxation and stress relief, as it allows you to escape into different worlds and perspectives. Additionally, reading has been shown to improve mental health and cognitive function. Overall, reading is a powerful tool for personal and professional growth, and it can help you get ahead in life in many ways. By reading widely and regularly, you can enhance your knowledge, critical thinking skills, communication skills, empathy, and mental health, all of which are essential for success and fulfillment in life. If you're a single guy looking to break free from societal norms, there are several books you can read to gain new perspectives and insights. Here are some recommendations. The 4-Hour Workweek by Timothy Ferriss. This book challenges the traditional idea of work-life balance and provides strategies for designing a lifestyle that prioritizes freedom and fulfillment over work. The Subtle Art of Not Giving F***ck by Mark Manson. This book encouraged readers to prioritize their own values and beliefs rather than conforming to societal expectations. No More Mr. Nice Guy by Dr. Robert Glover. This book helps men break free from the nice guy syndrome and learn to assert their needs and boundaries in relationships. The Way of Men by Jack Donovan. This book explores the concept of masculinity and offers a vision for a new type of masculinity that is grounded in honor, strength, and independence. The Art of Seduction by Robert Greene. This book offers a guide to understanding the dynamics of attraction and seduction, with insights into the psychological and social factors that influence human behavior. The Rational Mala by Rollo Tomassi. This book explores the dynamics of intergender relationships and offers a framework for understanding and navigating them effectively. These books offer different perspectives and insights on how to break free from societal norms and live a more fulfilling and authentic life. By reading them, you can gain new insights and strategies for creating a life that aligns with your values and goals. Thank you for joining me on this journey of exploring the value of reading. We've learned that reading is not just a hobby, but a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. It helps us expand our knowledge, broaden our perspectives, and develop critical thinking skills. So, let me ask you again, how often do you read? Have you been inspired to read more after watching this video? I encourage you to make reading a part of your daily routine and experience the many benefits it brings to your life. Until next time, keep reading, keep growing, and keep thriving.